In this video, I'll show you how to set up sales tax in QuickBooks Online. First, sign into QuickBooks Online on your desktop. Once you're inside the dashboard, click Taxes from the left-hand menu. Next, click Sales Tax. If sales tax has not been set up yet, click Set up Sales Tax to begin the process. After that, enter your business location and any tax information QuickBooks requests. Review the details carefully and continue through the setup. Now, QuickBooks will automatically calculate the appropriate sales tax rates based on your business location and customer locations. Review the settings to make sure everything is correct. Next, click Save to complete the setup. Once sales tax is enabled, QuickBooks will automatically apply the correct tax rates to your invoices and sales receipts when applicable. After that, create a test invoice and select a taxable product or service to confirm that sales tax is being calculated correctly. Finally, review your sales tax center regularly to track collected taxes, view tax liabilities, and prepare for tax filings. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up sales tax in QuickBooks Online. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.